Have a good evening.
Have a good night. Enjoy.
You catch up with Alistair.
Yeah, definitely.
Thank you.
I need your microphone back.
Oh, yes. Everybody. Oh, this chair makes me feel regal.
Right?
Yes. Bring me all your IoT things.
Thank you.
Sure.
Thank you.
So Pete, we are behind. Hey, Jason, I need your microphone.
Seeing everyone on the screen,
Yeah.
that was great.
I need your microphone.
Cool. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take this to the bathroom.
Yeah. See you. All right. Microphone.
Oh, I won't leave with this.
Don't forget to give me your mic back.
Yes.
Don't forget to give me your microphone back.
Okay.
Everyone
This
everyone
is not.
This is not a
This is
gizmo.
a giveaway.
Not a gizmo.
I joke like make developers lazy again. Like just
Too soon.
I know. I'm like,
You have an antenna.
Oh, thank you. Have an antenna.
Friends
Later.
and family.
Yeah,
That's
we
good.
are at Embedded Friends and Family. It's my brother and sister.
cool. Hello.
I know they're not even online. Damn it. They don't
Yeah. Yes.
at scale.
Yes.
To do at scale.
Sure.
You know, is Goliath equipped? Hey, buddy. Good to see you. So we are live. We're live now. If you want to join after, you'll be good, man. Don't worry. That's Leonard.
He's coming in the phone shop.
Right.
There we go. Oh my gosh. Guys, you're in Texas, please. Throw him up the Texas way. Yeah, UT. Come on.